It's great that there are few such products. I personally have not heard that there are no contraindications. There are no side effects, no overdose. And what can a newly born child drink? You know, it's for my brain to boil. I say, as it is, these two balsams. Since it contains 189 components, it is a squeeze from herbs.
Here they are, our precious 189 herbs, micro-macronutrients xanthones, enzyme Q10, thanks to which no one in my family took a single pill for a year. Minus allergies, minus cervical osteochondrosis from increased intracranial pressure, chronic fatigue and much more. So the choice is yours. If there is a nano balsams to relieve symptoms, then you should contact a pharmacy if this nano balsams is your choice for healing, cleansing and recovery.
Friends, the products of the Global Trend Company are the improvement of your organism. And Global Trend's marketing plan is to improve your financial condition by completely changing your wallet.